Hey everyone, this is still Shawn Hayes and welcome back to my channel. Check out Santa. Super cool. So I had to bring him out today and get in the holiday spirit. So you guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is still Shawn Hayes, where we talk about everything about money, how to earn it, sow it, save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're watching this video, you want to know, how can I manage notary signing and scheduling in time to eat, right? And take a break in between signings. And so I definitely want to give you some tips that I have implemented so I'm able to make sure I schedule in to get something to eat. But before we dive in, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you have not done so. If you're a notary or notary signing agent, definitely put the city and state, well, I say city and state, but the state that you are commissioned in, so I can say hey to you. And so make sure you put a thumbs up, hopefully not a thumbs down, if you think this video was helpful, right? So I know a lot of times we're constantly accepting assignments, and we never think about, hey, is it enough time from going to signing one to go ahead to signing two? Do we have a space in so we can grab a bite to eat? And so even if you have an early morning signing, like 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, have you gotten up early enough to even eat some oatmeal, right? Or grab a banana, some water? So what I have done is really on Sunday evenings, if I already know that I got some signings throughout the week, then I go ahead and meal plan. I meal plan just like if I was going to a 9 to 5, right? The only different things about this is just we're contractors or self-employed, but you still have to schedule in some time and do some food prep. And so what I do is, I meal prep on Sundays to make sure that I can pack something to go. I have a little bag in my car with some nuts, some fruits, some snacks, some carrots or something like that, so that I can eat on the go. Because a lot of times what I see is, and for me, I was like trying to slap through McDonald's, Wendy's, and I'm like, I'm just spending the money I just made just like that. Or I'm spending the money that I have not received yet, because you already know, if you were the signing service, and then most of them is net 30, you're not getting paid for another month, but you're eating, right? You're eating your money, right? Or the money that you just worked for. So what you can do is also, if you know that you don't have time to meal prep on Sundays, what you can do, just like how we get on the phone and we map out the address to the signer's house, well, you can also get in there and map out what restaurants or fast food place is in between, so that you be like, okay, I can dip in. I know with an order, if it's a Wendy's close by, you can get a 4 for $4. Maybe you can scroll through Taco Bell, and so you really not breaking the bank. You already pre-planned ahead of time, because we need fuel right? We need food to fuel our brain. And a lot of times what I see is we just constantly going and signing, and you get home at 9 o'clock and you realize, you know what, I haven't eaten yet. And that's not good for you. It's not good for your body. And so make sure that you carve in some time on Sundays, meal prep. Number 2 is make sure that you keep some type of snacks in your car, some, bananas, some apples, some sunflower seeds, some nuts, some berries, whatever. Have a little lunch bag in your car at all times, so that you can at least get something in your system to eat. And number 3 is just like you mapping out, right? You're mapping out, the signer's address. Check and see what restaurants is in between, so you can, you can slide through. That is on a budget basis, right? And so that you can get something in your system, because I don't want to see you going all day and realize you didn't eat, because that happened to me. And I wonder why the next day I'm tired, I don't have any energy, is because I haven't eaten anything. So you guys, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments, have you went all day signing and realized you did not eat? Let me know. Have that happened to you? If not, hey, I hope these tips was helpful, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.